Okay, so you're saying that I should work on my body language because I make too many gestures. Thank you for the feedback. Oh, sorry, I didn't see you. I was just preparing my speech with my virtual trainer. Very handy, you know. He gives me great AI-powered feedback. AI and virtual reality are becoming increasingly popular in education, as teachers see a lot of benefits. But many wonder how to do this effectively. In virtual reality, students can learn safely and without any limits. They can experience how our human body works from within the body itself. VR is a technology that deepens students' understanding in a motivating, interactive, and personalized way. Even more promising are AI technologies, which allow students to get personalized feedback 24/7, increase their efficiency, and foster students' critical thinking, problem-solving skills, and creativity. Despite these benefits, many educators worldwide struggle with implementing these technologies in their classrooms in a proficient way. Will it become too easy for students with these technologies? And also, many teachers are concerned about their future role. Will they be replaced by virtual AI-driven agents? Via interviews and surveys, we try to understand what supports and enables teachers and students to successfully learn with AI and VR. With these insights in mind, we then designed online courses, policy guidelines, and peer learning communities. This increases teachers' AI and VR literacy, boosting their knowledge, skills, and attitudes. And as a result, courses become more engaging and effective, enhancing students' learning outcomes too. In summary, as we know from extensive research, not the technology itself, but how the technology is being implemented will have an impact. And that is where the teacher steps in.